In this video, we'll be showing you how to reinstall Linux on your Arduino Uno Q. Let's get straight into it. First of all, this is going to completely factory reset your board. You will lose all your data, projects, and everything on it, so please back them up if needed. With that out of the way, we can get into it. To reflash your board, you'll need a way to short or connect these two pins here. You can use a female to female jumper wire here, or if you have other boards or modules lying around, you might find one of these shunts or jumper blocks. However you achieve it, those two pins need to be connected together. Next, we're going to need to install the Arduino Flasher CLI. Linked below is the written version of this guide where you can find where to get this from, as well as all the commands that we'll be using here if you want to copy and paste them in. After downloading the Flasher, you may need to extract it and do so in a handy location like your downloads folder. Now we need to open up a new command prompt window and tell it to work out of the file location of the extracted folder. To do this, we can open up the folder that we just extracted and copy the location at the top here. Then in our command prompt window, we can just type in cd space and then paste in that location, hit enter, and as you can see, we're now working out of our extracted folder. Let's check that everything is working by punching in Arduino-Flasher-CLI, and if you see this text here showing you all the commands you can use, you are good to go. Next, ensure your Uno Q has those pins shorted and plug it into your PC. Then we're going to go ahead and run the command Arduino Flasher-CLI/latest. Now you may get this window here prompting you to install the required USB driver. If you don't get this window, you've already got it, it's fine, but if you do get this window, make sure you install it. Then it's going to ask us if we want to install it. We're going to type yes and let that download the latest OS image. And once that's done downloading, we can just say yes, we would like to flash this onto our board. This installation is going to take 5 or 10 minutes, so go ahead and grab a tea or coffee or whatnot, and make sure you don't unplug your board during this process. Once the flashing is done, you'll get a message here saying that it's finished, and you can go ahead and unplug your board, and make sure you unplug that jumper to be able to actually boot into it. And that's it! Your Arduino is now fully flashed and ready to go through its first time setup. If you need a hand with anything from this video, at the bottom of the written guide is a forum topic that you can post on. Until next time though, happy making.